Hello, hi, welcome, and today I am going to talk about OOPS concept. So, what is OOPS or Object Oriented Programming System? Object means a real world entity such as pen, chair, table, computer, watch, etc. Object oriented programming is a methodology or paradigm to design a program using classes and objects. It simplifies software development and maintenance by providing some concepts such as object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. And here is a image to explain briefly the concept of OOPS. Now we are move on to objects. What is object? Any entity that has state and behavior is known as an object. For example, a chair, pen, table, keyboard, bike, etc. It can be physical or logical. An object can be defined as an instance of a class. An object contains an address and takes up some space in memory. Objects can communicate without knowing the details of each other's data or code. The only necessary thing is the type of message accepted and the type of response returned by the object. For example, a dog is an object because it has state like color, name, breed, etc., as well as behavior like wagging the tail, barking, eating, etc. Then we are move on to class. What is class? Collection of object is called class. It is a logical entity, or we can say a class can also be defined as an blueprint from which we can create an individual object. Class doesn't consume any space. Now we are on inheritance. When one object acquires all the properties and behavior of a parent object, it is known as inheritance. It provides code reusability. It is used to achieve runtime polymorphism. Now, what is polymorphism? If one task is performed in different ways, it is known as polymorphism. For example, to convince the customer differently, to draw something, for example, shape, triangle, rectangle, etc. In Java, we use method overloading and method overriding to achieve polymorphism. Another example can be speak something. For example, a cat speaks meow, dog barks woof, etc. Abstraction. Hiding internal details and showing functionality is known as abstraction. For example, phone call, we don't know the internal process. In Java, we use abstract class and interface to achieve abstraction. And lastly, encapsulation. Binding or wrapping code and data together into a single unit are known as encapsulation. For example, a capsule, it is wrapped with different medicines. A Java class is the example of encapsulation. Java Bean is the fully encapsulated class because all the data members are private here. So today I have discussed all the OOPS concept, and if you have any question or queries regarding the OOPS concept, please write in comment. And that's it for today. Hope you understand the concept. See you in next video.